milk. Ayan. So, pipili tayo ng flavor kung ano yung gusto nating flavor. So, meron chocolate. So, piliin na lang natin yung this is Colombia. Let's try Colombia. How about this? Ethiopia. This one. Nicaragua. So, dito na tayo stick natin sa chocolate. So, open natin siya. And then, let's put this. Put natin. And then, press natin pababa. And then, let's just wait until the blink is over. Or stop. Ayan, so nag-stop na. And then you will choose which one you like. This one, konting fruity. These two, a little bit only. And this one, so piliin natin ito. Just press it and then we have to wait. So, let's just wait until mag-off na siya. So, pag nula na yung blink dun, it means it turned off already. So, automatic yung off niya. And then, it's indicated here that it clean. So, you can take away all this stuff. So, you can clean this stuff. And so, pwede na natin siyang linisin, and then it will automatically shut off or shut down. And so very convenient. So itong Nespresso na ito, very convenient. Tapos bibili ka lang ng mga capsules like this. So it has a lot of flavors. Ayan, and then meron ding so may nabibili. So, ito, I think this is green tea. Okay. Green tea, and this is also tea. Yeah. So, let's wait until this is off. Yan. So, automatically naman siya mag-off siya. Yan. So, this is brought to you by Nespresso. Thank you for watching. My coffee is ready and now I have to drink my coffee. So hot. Very easy, very convenient. So thank you very much for watching. My coffee is ready.